Hello, Jai Hind guys, and welcome back to the channel AK's Diecast. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the 1991 Mazda MX5 Miata and the 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. So yes, these are the same cars but just the different timeline or the different generation. And here I'm going to tell some secret facts that this car have. So look guys, this is the Hot Wheels J Import series cars, both of them. But as we know, and as the Hot Wheels diecast collector knows, that then and now series is there for the Hot Wheels. So guys, you can also take this thing in your mind that this is a then and now series and you must collect both of these cars. So let's begin the video with the 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. So this is the card art for the car. Let's unbox this car as I have did it before. So just pop it off, and yeah, here is our car. So I have added some details like the white acrylic color. So here is the front hood, the nice clean hood with the clamping for opening the hood. Again Mazda MX5, sorry, the Mazda 5 branding is there. So guys, let's come to the side view now. Then here is the air diffuser, the nice grey wheels, again Mazda Hot Wheels graphics and Hot Wheels logo branding. And this car is the open roof. So see here, the roll cage is there, the steering wheel arrangement is on the left hand side, and a very nice infotainment screen is there, as this is the 2015 car, so screen was available in that time. So here are the tail light details that I have added by myself. Yes, otherwise this was a clean. And look at this, the big spoiler, almost 2 cm. And here are the rear air diffuser. Look at this nice cross section that the fender is covering. In real life this looks very awesome. Some guys know if they had seen some customized cars. So yes guys, this was the thing about the 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. Do let me know that did I have added the details rightly, did you like it or no. And if you guys want to see the detailing video, then yes, I have made it as a short. Yes, the link is available in the description, you might check. And let's move on to this car now, so which is the 1991 MX5 Miata. A very cute yellow color with the black and silver trims for the decals and MX5 branding. So here I am seeing the mirror is there also. Again the open roof, look at this body line, just how sleek this is going from the hood to the end. Wow, this is just wow. Again, now check the front details. What are those? Here the smiley face air intake, the pop-up headlights are there, and this was the indicator also, and this might be the reflector here. So the reflector is detailed. And this car has a very cute looking face, the very cute front end, and I just love this for having this kind of cute smile. Look at here, why I am saying a cute smile. Look at this card art, how nicely this is been there. And in real life, if you watched some Mazda Miata photos, then you can see that this looks like a smiling face. And here again, let's come to our car. So in the front we are seeing here the number plate arrangement beside the air intake. And yes, this was the front. This car has the pop-up LED headlights, a very nice clean hood here we have. And let's check some interior. So left hand side driving wheel, again here I am seeing a roll cage. Here the tail lights are also detailed with the reverse light and the Hot Wheels number plate. So no rear air diffuser, but the exhaust is being detailed. And one more special thing about this car I'm going to show. Look at, yes, this, the tire is so offset by this fender. The cross section is looking very stunning. This looks very low, and the front end is also like that. Look at this, so it's quite hard, but it is there. So the wheels are very offset from the fender to make this car as low as possible, and this is the JDM thing. So this could be nice to have such great details on a drifting car. Yes, this car drifts a lot amazing. The Mazda Miata MX5 is known for its better handling and its compactness of the body proportions. This was the thing about the Mazda MX5 Miata. Hope you guys find this video very useful. Do let me know in the comments that which car do you have from these both, or do you have these both cars. It's all about the MX5 Miata, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Bye. Jai Hind.